Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Like to welcome y'all to my vlog. I've been hearing a lot of tragic news over a few days. First I want to start off talking about the shooting here in New Orleans, Mardi Gras night. Okay, Fat Tuesday night. Okay, all right. When this woman was visiting New Orleans for Mardi Gras, excuse me, and she was visiting for Mardi Gras and stuff like that, and she wound up getting shot and killed for some apparent reason. I don't know why that had to happen though. Okay, Jesus Christ, did she deserve it? I don't think so. No, she didn't deserve it. Okay. I mean, all this senseless violence all over the city. Nobody came and go out to have a good time, trying to ruin New Orleans tradition and stuff like that, I don't know why that had to happen. If you don't love life, that's your business, Okay. And next I want to talk about is this Florida shooting, with this woman. Let me read this. He killed three people, a woman and a 19-year-old child, and then returned to the scene of the crime and shot and killed the news reporter and wounded the cameraman. Jesus Christ! I'm like, where the police at? I know a news reporter gets there, but where the police at? But I'm glad the police arrested that guy, that's responsible for them shootings, and then all of a sudden go, well, let me back up a bit. Shot a woman in the car, I don't know if that was his ex-girlfriend or whatnot. Who knows? Okay. That's ridiculous, That's totally ridiculous. All this senseless crime that's going on, not just in the city of New Orleans, everywhere, Okay. People can't go out there have a good time. People can't sit in their cars or whatever, Can't sit in their cars, just chill and all that, I'm like, what the hell is this? What in the hell is this? Jesus Christ. All this that's going on in this world is heathens, None but the devil. That's all the hell it is to it, Huh. Like I said, you don't like people, you don't like your life, end it. I don't care, I'm like, that's ridiculous for people to do senseless killings and stuff like that, For what? For what? Mental illness? I don't give a damn about no mental illness. The hell with mental illness, That's what I say. The hell with mental illness. At least I take medicine for myself, I don't click out like that, Yeah, take medicine to calm my nerves and all that, Sometimes I forget to take my medicine. Thank God I don't click out for no reason. I click out for certain reason. Probably for a stupid reason. I don't know. Okay? Yes, indeed. All I want to say, my condolence to the family that lost loved ones to these shootings here in New Orleans, way out there in Florida and stuff like that. I don't know which way I'm pointing. All right, so way out there in Florida. I mean, Florida is a beautiful place. I've never been to Florida, but I know it's a beautiful place. Okay, so just like New Orleans is a beautiful place, Houston is beautiful. I've been out there. It's beautiful. So I must say, all this senseless killing for nothing or whatever. Why? That's all I want to know is why. Why do stuff like that? I just don't get it. I definitely don't get it. Okay. All right, and my condolence to the family members that lost these loved ones, especially a 9-year-old child in Florida, and a 50-year-old woman that's a grandmother, I do believe, I mean, that's sad. That's totally sad, It breaks my damn heart, Why? That's all I want to know is why. Yes, indeed. All right, that's all I gotta say. Hi, y'all.